the man who invented the wireless system.
I invented the radio and sent the first wireless messages across the Atlantic. My invention changed the speed of communication. I also invented radar systems. They tell us the speed, position, and direction of objects which we can't see. I was born in Italy. My mother was Irish and my father was Italian. When I was a child, I learned 2 languages, English and Italian. I could communicate with people in 2 different ways. Communication was very important in my life. It wasn't easy to communicate with other countries. A few people used the telegraph. This machine sent electric signals through a wire between 2 places. And one person hear another person at a distance without using a wire. Can voice messages travel from one city to another?